On Saturday morning runnings this week, may spirit not take you. Life in the Caribbean has teachable moments only a few of us wish to remember. Our intuitiveness is most common, a remarkable trait that can be unnerving when it rears its head. You ever hear someone from the Caribbean say to the other, "May spirit not take you," especially Jamaicans? Believe it or not, there is something about that person that they don't trust, and before long is bound to be revealed. When it does, we are amazed at the outcome. Not only that, but we also look at the revelator as one with a gift to read up people. Have you ever said, "May spirit not take you," to someone? A Saturday morning runnings, come make we talk.